So in this video, I'm cutting up the door cards, installing them into my ZR, and we're also going to go and get Felix, who's going to help me in the next video get the ZR up and running for its first time in 2 years, because we've only ever seen it go to kind of start up on brake clean. While we're there, we also show you us dissecting the engine. As you can see here, this engine was fucked. It was ruined. It was destroyed. It was... It hurt me, but I had to still go and do it because MSA state to rally, I need to have a full interior. That means I have to have headlining and I have to have door cards. And since there is a roll cage in the car, that means that I have to cut around all of the things that foul the roll cage as per what the regulations state. I'm going to have to cut into this beautiful door card that I have here, and that's just one that I did earlier. Behold. It is absolutely atrocious. However, when I close the door now, it's perfect. It matches up perfect, and that is as close as I can get it. So that's perfect for me. First thing you do is you just check, you know, where's fouling, and then you just want to send a hole. We're just going to go along, mark out all the areas where the roll cage is fouling this door, and just chop it off and try and get it in. As you can see, I already did it with the vents. Okay, so I've wiped my tears clean, and I've now cut into this perfectly nice MGZR door card, and we're going to now see if it fits. Alright, I need to take a little bit more just out of that door there. Round number 68. Here we go, boys. Oh, isn't that perfect? And there should be a click. There we go. That's perfect. That's in. That is brilliant. That is awesome. Oh, I love that. It's brilliant. We've got a full interior. I mean, yeah, the glove box is on the floor, but we have a full interior inside of the ZR now. I forgot it has no brakes! Does it work? Yes! Oh! Oh, it smells lovely! Ah! 1040. This is now finished. It's now done. It's now time for the next project. We learned a lot on this car. I loved working on this, pulling it out of a bush and saving it. What the fuck is that?
Starter motor that you only got one bolt in.
Oh, wait, you've never fixed it?
I haven't had time.
Well, oh my god, there's no coolant inside of it.
Yeah, I know, I told you the coolant hose blow off, so there's no coolant in it.
How did you drive it back here?
I towed it.
Yeah, it's way quieter now. It actually sounds good now.
Yeah, but it's blowing the coolant there. We have a cat back on it, and we have a cone filter, and the cone filter's louder than the exhaust on it. Oh.
You're a little low there, buddy.
Yeah.
Ugh. That is fucking disgusting. Give it. Come on, we need to do like a wine taster's review. Yeah, lick it.
Notes of. Hang on, I'll do it. Yeah, definitely a bit of Telford in there.
Wait, what? Babushka used to have these.
I remember these becoming a thing. Hey, put it through the one with the hole in it and see if it comes.
Yeah, see if it comes through the other side. If you put it with the one.
Is it?
Yeah, just all the way up in there, dude. What are we gonna do with this? I'll scratch my fucking bumper. I will murk you. So you build these K-series engines for a living?
Yeah, totally.
So explain to us, what are you doing right now?
I'm trying to strip it so I can make sure.
Yeah. Oh, just lifting this up. We didn't get the video of you whacking it out and then like 10 more bolts just fell out of it. It is all bent. Oh, dude. Oh my god, look.
I know.
Dissecting it. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Oh, that's how you do it. Yeah, I didn't try and read it. Oh, look how thin they are. Look how
Yeah,
thin
look, and that's why a K-Series engine revs so well. Ben, yeah. Dude, look at all the cappuccino inside of it.
Look at the crank.
Oh
Not
my-
even the crank spot. Look.
Oh my god. Yeah,
That's
crank's-
beyond saving as
Yeah,
well,
the
isn't it?
crank's dead. This whole thing is dead.
Ooh, that's even worse.
He ran it like this, bro. I was 1 year ago. It was just a head gasket. Yeah. I think it might be broken, dude. Oh my god. Go and watch the beginning of the series so you can see even more stuff than we did. This was just a randomly recorded thing, and it just so happened that I had so much footage that I decided to compile it all together and upload it for you guys. So if you enjoyed that, you want to see some proper put together videos, or well, more betterly-ish put together videos, you can go ahead and watch the other video series on this car. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.